benta ban rakhe ka jingdap shis pasnam ka sengkhasi marbisu nin ka si ka pratarik mentau bnai jema 1000 ar kala penlong ka jingshat suk mensem hamadan marbisu ha ka baki nong shat na kaleng ki jaka jong ka than kila wane shembenta kumba 1000 tam hakani ka sni la sakhilang ya kani ka jingsha da UMP ka Rajya Sabha u Rakesh Sinha u balalong u Kongsan haka jingdan lang MLA ka Mauplang constituency u Samla Eugene Sanlengdo UMLA ka South Shillong uba Sanbor Shulai UMLA ka Mauhati constituency uba Dasakhyat Lamare kiba Kraw Batri ka Seng Khasikme upa em Dr. Barajit Singh CM ka Hima Kriem u acting CM ka Hima Mlem u Aina Manik CM bat kiwe kibara sha khot ngobha u Rakesh Sinha ulaong baka shat suk mensem kalong kawe na kijing shat tenrai ka ba shongkon bha bat baka perthai baro kawe ka dei ban tep shaphang ka riti dostor ka baki khasi kidan ula kularu bandra ekane ka jingpen I ya kijing shat tenrai hamar bisu shaka sorkar me knang bakan yo ajing kershan bat jing itu sho ula penshlo ka sorkar jela bat ikipat ba hi bakin nang pen I yakini ki riti ki dostor sha Delhi pat shakawe pat ki jaka jang kari India
privilege that I have been invited as the chief guest by Sengkhasi Marbishu at the 100th centenary year program, and definitely I will take this program to the culture ministry. I will write to the culture ministry and culture minister and even the prime minister and also raise this issue in the parliament that Marbishu's this culture program that includes music, dance and other things should be acknowledged, should be encouraged and also should be given financial help so that the new generation should be encouraged in that program. And I would also request this culture program should be exhibited in New Delhi and other parts of the country. This is one of the best culture programs I have seen in my life. This represents the core value and community life and culture utility of the Sengkhasi community. And I think the tradition which is alive in that very small children to the eldest people all together participate in the program, someone actively participating, others are witnessing the program. I think this is truly representing the India's culture, and I think this program must go to other parts of the country. The people from North India, South India, Western India must know, see the Sengkhasis, this culture program which includes dance, music and community representation of the culture.